Alright guys, so you go to Google and you just type in inbox dollars. Now this website is going to pay you money for taking up small tasks on their website, but as you know, this is make money efficiently, and we look at making money only the efficient way. So we're going to go into a few details about this website and how much you could actually earn by taking surveys and other small tasks. Now it says that you could play games for money and you could earn money watching videos and surveys for money, but all that is not going to make you really rich. So if you go to Google and if you type in inbox dollars reviews, you could see that they offer cash for surveys, and check this out here, you get a sign up bonus, right? But expect low earnings and be wary of third-party promotions. Well, that's fine, but you get $5 credit for signing up. Of course, you need to verify your email address and you would get $5 credited through PayPal. Right, so all sounds good, and if you check out the reviews, it is a legit site and it is really safe. But how much money can you actually make? Right, this is what was really important. Now they say that surveys pay you between 10 cents to $5, right? And there are some where you could actually earn around $5 to $10 or even up to 25. But let me tell you the truth, sometimes you will not get surveys on this website, right? It's just like Swagbucks, and you've already seen my Swagbucks video, and that's the truth. So I'm not gonna waste your time by telling you to do this. But hey, if you really want that $5, just go ahead and sign up with this website, and you could see you get a $5 bonus, right? And there are a few things that you need to do, and well, there are so many other things that they say on this website where you can actually get cash back for online shopping, and several other things like get paid to read emails and stuff. But to be honest, I've tried it out, and I took like 2 surveys and I got like 20 cents. But after that, for the past 5 to 6 days, I've not got a single survey. So don't really waste your time. But if you want that $5, go ahead and snatch it from this website. So you check out the reviews, and that's it about inbox dollars. So I hope this was really helpful, and you could get a quick $5. So try it and give it a shot, but don't waste your time on the surveys and try to do anything, because it's not really worth it, and you might not even land surveys. So go ahead and sign up and get that $5 straight into your PayPal account. So that's it for today, and I hope all of you are staying safe and doing well.